good bit of it. Whew. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, them all tiny ones down there anyway. That's what we wanted right there. That's what we wanted. Beautiful. Alright. Hey, you pulled that tree all the way out. I don't know if you can see or not. You pulled the big tree out. All you got is the little branches left. Around the edges, I can just unhook you. You can go full forward or whatever where you want to be back up to it again. It's right in the middle. That big log is like in the middle of the road. You can see.
Just a little bit of cleanup. Got a whole trailer full. That's a pretty good sized tree. Still have another good load left. We got it piled about as high as it's gonna go.